Welcome to Dumpling, Noodle, and Rice Storytime. The story today is about
the ocean in the bathroom. Let's see what happens when Noodle and family have an ocean adventure indoors. It's bath time. Noodle fills the tub with bubbles. Look, it's an ocean, he says. Octopus, otter, oars. Daddy Dumpling adds toy sea animals and a tiny boat. Over here, Mommy Rice splashes water gently, making waves. Hold on tight, sailor, she laughs. Oh no, the little boat tips over. Overboard, cries Noodle, saving his toy otter. Ocean rescue complete. They laugh and keep playing until the bubbles melt away. Out of the tub, little sailor, says Mommy Rice. Okay, Captain, says Noodle. Next stop, bedtime, says Daddy Dumpling.
Thanks for listening and see you next time.